Storm Shield weather, certified most accurate.
And good evening, everyone. A couple of counties now been added to the winter storm watch, which goes into effect Friday evening into Saturday morning. And that's going to be just a couple of the counties here in southeastern Kansas. And the winter storm watch goes from Craig County through Nowata County, all the way back west toward Pawnee and Osage County, at least in our area, and up to the north. It now includes Montgomery County. I think they were out of it earlier. And then we've got the flash flood watch on the other side of the coin, and that essentially goes from Delaware County southward all the way down into southeastern parts of Oklahoma and extends from Muskogee County and Pittsburgh County eastward through Haskell County to the Arkansas border. So it looks like we've got some wet weather in one part of the area, maybe some wintry weather Saturday night into Sunday morning up north, right along the Kansas border. I'll show you where in just a second. Great picture here from Mike Bourne from Lake Keystone. He sent in his Christmas display, and he did that, and I thought maybe we'd show this picture again. As we were going to break, you could see that this little house is by Interstate 44 near Yale and 41st when you get on the interstate there, and it looks like the house is smiling just a little bit. I guess it kind of lifts our spirits when we start talking about some colder air on the way. 60 right now, south wind 15 miles an hour, and look at the cold air. Hays, Kansas right now is at 21. Valentine, Nebraska is at 5, so we know that cold air is slowly chugging its way toward green country, due to arrive sometime tomorrow morning. I'll try to break that down here in just a second and give you an idea of when the coldest of that air shows up. Meantime, moisture flowing in from the west, so maybe a little bit of drizzle as the cold front shows up tomorrow morning, but I think it's liquid. This is the big storm. This is going to cause a heavy snowfall in parts of Kansas into west central Missouri, and it's going to bring us the potential for some heavy rainfall here Saturday afternoon into Saturday night before the changeover occurs. All right, let's go to Futurecast. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. See just a little bit of light drizzle around, but it's not freezing drizzle. It's just light drizzle with these north winds near the front. And then as that moves, we get a little heavier rain down here to the south, maybe from McAllister over toward eastern Oklahoma. Then this is why the winter storm watch has been issued. This little pink to purple area there, some freezing rain very early Saturday morning. So if you were headed out Saturday morning on Interstate 44 up toward Joplin, it could get just, a 1/10 of an inch of ice could cause some icy concerns. And then look at that. A band of snow breaks out right along the southern portion of Kansas, very northern portion of Oklahoma. So there could be just a minor accumulation there Sunday morning before the storm system starts to move out. So what am I thinking? Well, 2 to 3 inches of rainfall from Poteau up to Fort Smith, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall from Joplin to Grove to Pryor, Tahlequah, Muskogee, Okmulgee, Bristow, Tulsa, and then maybe a 1/4 inch of rainfall up around Bartlesville. And then Saturday night into Sunday, of course, that transitions over to a little bit of snow. And it looks like right now the heaviest snow will be up here near Kansas City, 4 to 8 inches of snow there back to Wichita, 2 to 4 inches south of that, and maybe a 1/2 inch to 2 inches near Coffeyville. But just looking at the data tonight, I'm siding with the lower amounts of snowfall in southern Kansas. 39 tonight in Tulsa, 47 in Muskogee. Daytime highs tomorrow, fall and then rise back up to 36 by the afternoon. We might have some 50s still showing up tomorrow afternoon, McAllister and Poteau and Fort Smith. Otherwise, everyone else is cold. That 100% chance of rain Saturday, transitioning over to a little bit of light snow Sunday morning, 34, 33 Monday, 41 Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, 48, and maybe some raindrops and snowflakes mixing on Wednesday. Not technically a white Christmas, but at least maybe some of us will see some snowflakes on Christmas Day. Coming up, we'll take a more detailed look at that Christmas Eve, Christmas Day forecast.